Hello everybody and welcome to this month's unboxing of the Your Creative Studio kit. This is a monthly subscription with a vintage stationery aesthetic, and a lot of the items are exclusive to the maker of this box, but let's just go ahead and jump right in. So as I saw from the top of the box, it looks like the theme of the box has lots of flowers, and look how pretty. You guys know I love anything floral, so this is going to be right up my alley. Let's go ahead and remove the box, and we'll go ahead and slide everything out of the protection paper, and let's just go ahead and jump into things right away. So right now we have the washi tape, which this is new. They've never had a barcode on that, so I wonder if they're going to be starting to sell things in person somewhere, or maybe it's just for like inventory. I don't know, but that's new. Ooh, look how pretty. It's just a very simple yellow and pink pattern with flowers. It's very simple and clean and not busy, which is definitely new for them. Their tapes do typically have quite a bit of design on them, so it's nice to see a simple design. All right, next we have a stamp. Let's see. So there's a couple in here. We have a floral with some text and two smaller florals. All right, next we have some retro labels. This is not an exclusive design, but still very fun. And there's some gold foiling on here, which is very fun. They're quite small. There's like a travel theme I'm picking up. Some manufacturing type stuff. So those are really cute, and it looks like there's 4 of each design maybe. And I love this background picture here. Okay, next is this box. All right, so there's some gold foiling on the box. But let's see what's actually inside of this box. So I'm noticing vellum. So we've got some vellum printed paper. This is good for collaging. And then there's regular paper as well. Look at this map on vellum. These are all over the place. These are fun. I like the size of that too. That's like the perfect tip-in size. And then we have some smaller square stickers with a bunch of different designs. It looks like all of them are different. These remind me of the new Tim Holtz tiles. The little paper tiles he has. There's so many. Oh my gosh. That will be fun. I'm excited for those. I'm gonna put that back in the box so I don't lose that. Next, it looks like we have some more floral paper ephemera. These are kind of bigger. Still pretty though. I love this. I love the vintage paper with the florals. We got some checks. These are just so pretty. And I wonder if they're stickers. Let's see if they're stickers. Because they feel like stickers. They're stickers. Love stickers. I don't need adhesive. All right, now we have some exclusive designs here, finally. So this is designed by Your Creative Studio, and it looks like we have 3 different sizes here. Ooh, look at that. Nice little title page idea. Ooh, and there it is in vellum. So it looks like you get 2 really thin sheets of a design, a thicker sheet design, and then vellum. So we've got 2 thinners, thicker, and vellum. So that's kind of fun. I wonder if it's the same for this. Yep. 2 thinners, thicker, and vellum. And then, yep, same for these. That's so much fun. I love the diversity. Oh, this one had 2 vellums. The diversity is what I love. I love having options. All right, another package here to open up. All right, there's something in here. Oh, it's a little book. Oh my gosh, they're little stamps. That's cute. I definitely feel like there's adhesive there. So many different designs too, holy moly. So that's cute. All right, looks like we have another stamp set. This is a bigger one with just a little floral cluster. That'll be nice. Here is the exclusive sticker sheet, another black and white clear design. We have the tissue paper. The tissue paper has been so much fun, and this design is really pretty. I'm not going to take it out because every time I take it out, I rip it. The adhesive catches it, and I always rip a sheet, and I don't really feel like doing that on screen. So when I'm ready to use them in a video that you will see very shortly, I will probably just cut the side off so I don't rip them. We got 3 more items. This is the exclusive paper ephemera. The smaller stuff, not just the paper sheets. Ooh, this is nice. So these are thinner, and I like that. Let's see if they're stickers. Nope, not stickers. But look at the designs. Look how big that one is. That one's pretty. This is going to be so much fun for mail. I actually have some outgoing letters that I need to decorate the envelopes for today, so I will probably just go straight from doing this unboxing to doing a mail art video. The colors are really nice too. I really like the colors. They feel very autumnal, even though this is like a florally theme and it was probably meant for like June or July or something. The colors are very autumnal, so I just feel like we'll really get away with using these during the fall months. All right, the next one is a sheet of these stickers, and I have actually purchased these stickers several times in the past. They're from Mr. Paper. I think I've always gotten mine from Nico Neko or Yoseka, maybe even Cute Things from Japan. So I love these. I love clear floral stickers. All right, and the last thing we have here, it looks like more paper. Don't we need it? Oh, this is fun. There's this acetate piece, and it's printed. And look at the Queen Victoria on here. Oh. How am I going to use that unless it's a sticker? If it's a sticker, easy day. It's a sticker. Oh my gosh. If I had stays on ink, I would be using my stamps and stamp right on this acetate because it's a sticker. Okay, so this has got these really torn up edges to make it look like the paper is really, really old. Look how delicious. And it's like thin, like between printer paper and tissue paper. It is like thin. Oh my gosh, this is going to be phenomenal. It's funny, the cuts are almost all the same, like the cuts in the paper. That's so funny. They probably just have like one die that they use for like every couple of sheets. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is what I call guilt-free old paper, because I don't have to buy real old paper from the 1800s or the early 1900s and want to use it, because I do want to use it, but it hurts sometimes to use it. This is the same aesthetic and it doesn't hurt. It's guilt-free, which is why I love these kits. I'm still like blown away by that acetate. It's so much fun. All right, I think that is everything. I do want to stamp the stamps really quickly, not for quality control, but just because I want to see what they look like away from the gray background. I wish it wasn't gray. I really do wish the foam was a different color, because it's really hard to see the design sometimes. Fingers. Oops. Oh, I barely even touched the page, and look how crisp it is. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. The details are just mind-blowing. Ugh. All right, let's try this big boy. My goodness. Okay, let's bring this in closer. Look how crisp. I'm telling you what, if I had alcohol markers, this would be so much fun to color in. I guess I could probably use color pencil really lightly, but... All right, so that is the kit. We've got tape, stickers, paper galore, all the adhesive attached things. You guys know how I feel about that. I have to have adhesive for my things. But yeah, that is it. That is the kit. It's very, very healthy. I love the theme, obviously. And I love the amount of paper included. There's so much paper. That is it. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below, and I will leave everything you need to find your creative studio down below. Until next time, friends, stay tuned. Thanks. Bye.